Light. Light is a form of energy which sensitizes our eyes and enables us to see the objects around us. Characteristics of light. Light travels in a straight line. It is the fastest traveling energy. It travels with a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second in vacuum. In air, the speed of light is almost the same. Light is made up of 7 different colors. Sources of light. The objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects. They are source of light to us. The stars, glowworm, and firefly are natural luminous bodies. The sun is also a star. It is the main source of light on the earth. Lighted tube light, glowing bulb, burning candle, glowing lamp, glowing lantern, ignited matchstick, etc. are some examples of man-made or artificial luminous objects. The objects which do not emit light of their own are called non-luminous objects. For example, the moon is a non-luminous object. Similarly, the earth also shines as a bright blue ball due to the light of the sun falling on it. Opaque, transparent, and translucent objects. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Rubber, stone, brick wall, wood, etc. are opaque objects. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. Water, glass, air, etc. are transparent substances. Translucent objects allow light to pass through them partially. Butter paper, honey and ground glass are translucent substances. Shadow. A shadow is the dark area that an opaque object forms when it blocks the path of light. Features of shadow. A shadow is formed only when the path of light is blocked by an opaque object. A shadow is only a dark region. It does not show any colors or details of the object. Let us do an activity. Hold a torch in the right hand and let its light fall on a wall. Suspend a teddy bear from the ceiling in between the torch and the wall. A dark region whose outline resembles that of teddy bear is formed on the wall. This is the shadow of teddy bear. The shadow of the teddy bear does not have colors similar to that of teddy bear. A shadow may or may not resemble the actual shape of the object. Let us see how. Holding a glowing torch in the right hand and focus it on the suspended teddy bear. Turn the suspended teddy bear by an angle of 90 degrees so that its side faces the torch. The shape of the teddy bear is not very clear now. Here, the shape of shadow does not resemble that of the object. The shadow is formed only on an opaque surface called screen. Let us verify it with the help of an activity. Take a torch and a cardboard sheet covered with white paper. Take a friend with you and select a swing to act as an object. Use the torch so that the light falls on the swing from one side. The shadow of the swing will not be visible. To make the shadow visible, ask your friend to hold the cardboard behind the swing. Now, the shadow appears on the cardboard. The size of a shadow is relative to the position of the light source with respect to object. Let us perform an activity. Take a ball and hang it from a rigid support with the help of a thread. Light a torch and hold it at a distance of about 1.5 meter from the ball, so that the shadow of the ball forms on the wall. Note the size of the shadow. Now bring the torch closer to the ball and observe the size of its shadow. Then bring the torch still closer to the ball and look at the shadow. As the torch, which is a source of light, comes closer to the ball, which is an object, the size of the shadow increases.